I was so tired of always trying to find convoluted ways to stay in keto. And if you've felt the same, then know you're not alone. That's why it's time to try this Keto Cauliflower Rice. It's basically rice, but keto. Weird, right? It contains only 2.4 net carbs per serving and contains vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. From stir fries to burrito bowls, this is a super versatile recipe that you can make in a couple of minutes easily. Start by rinsing your cauliflower head, then pat it dry and chop it into smaller florets. Little tip here, if you're using a box grater, it's easier to cut the cauliflower into slightly bigger florets. But if you plan to use a food processor, I recommend you chop the cauliflower into smaller pieces. As I said, you can use a food processor or a grater. In this video, I'm gonna use a normal grater so you see how easy it is. Once your cauliflower has been riced, take a skillet and place it on the stovetop on medium heat. Add some oil to it and make sure you spread it evenly so it's nice and hot and ready to start sauteing. Did I get it right? Sauteing. Sauteing. Anyways, you get what I mean. Once the skillet is nice and hot, add the cauliflower rice and saute it. I'm not doing this again. Do it for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. For some finishing touches, you can add a pinch of salt and some chopped parsley or other fresh herbs to your cauliflower rice. Serve it on a plate with other healthy recipes from my channel, like the keto meatloaf or the jalapeno chicken salad, and enjoy your meal.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.